Did you know that in today's digital world, data is more valuable than oil? But data is useless without someone to organize, protect, and manage it properly. Today, we are going to explore a hidden but powerful career field, data curation and data stewardship. Hello everyone, this is Priyanka B, and today's video we are exploring an emerging and future focused career path, data curation and data stewardship. This field is perfect for students who love organizing information, enjoy research, and are detail oriented and want to have stable corporate or research based careers. So, what is data curation and data stewardship? Data curation means collecting, organizing, maintaining, and preserving data so that it can be used properly in the future. Data stewardship means ensuring data is accurate, secure, ethical, and well managed. In today's world, universities, research institutions, hospitals, corporates, government organizations, they all depend on structured and reliable data. So let's explore the main career roles in this field. Data curator can collect large data sets, organizes and categorizes information, maintains data quality, ensures proper storage, makes data accessible for future use. For example, in a research lab, they manage scientific data. In a museum, they manage digital archives. In technology companies, they handle structured data sets. So, what are the skills required for this? Analytical thinking, attention to detail, knowledge of databases, metadata understanding, basic coding. This is optional but also useful in the future too. So, what are all the career scope? It can be in universities, research organizations, libraries, tech companies, digital archives. This is a growing career because data volume is increasing every year. So, what does a research data manager do? He manages research related data, ensures data follows ethical standards, maintains compliance with regulations, creates data management plans. So, they all work closely with scientists, professors, medical researchers, academic institutions. So, what are all the skills required for this? Understanding research processes, data organization, knowledge of privacy laws, documentation skills, project management. This role is highly demanded in universities, healthcare research centers, government funded projects, international research institutions. As research increases globally, demand for research data managers is also rising. So, what does an information governance specialist do? So, this role focuses on data protection, compliance, risk management, data policies. They ensure sensitive information is secure, organizations follow legal standards, data is used ethically. This role is crucial in banking, healthcare, corporate sectors, government departments. So, what are all the skills required for it? Knowledge of data privacy laws, policy drafting, risk analysis, cyber security basics, strong documentation skills. With increasing data breaches and digital loss in today's scenario, information governance specialists are in high demand. This role offers stability, corporate growth, and global opportunities. So, where students can enter in this field through BSc in data science, BCA or MCA, information science, library and information science, data analytics courses, masters in information management. Also, they can complete certifications in data governance, data management, cyber security, which adds extra value too. This field offers good starting salaries, strong long term growth, international opportunities. It is not a flashy career like social media, but it is a stable, respected, and future proof. Choose data curation and stewardship if you are organized, if you enjoy structured work, if you are detail focused, if you prefer research or corporate environments, if you value stability over glamour. In 2026 and beyond that, data will drive decisions. Behind every major research, every corporate decision, every government policy, there will be a structured data. And behind structured data, there are skilled professionals managing it. If you want a future focused, meaningful, and stable career, data curation and data stewardship is worth exploring. If you want more hidden and emerging career options explained clearly and practically, subscribe to Career Guidance India by Priyanka B. And let's move forward with clarity today and confidence tomorrow. So, thank you all for watching this video.